Hello AGI and welcome to your Unix video tutorial. So in today's video we'll be discussing about the Unix command grep. This command is basically used to do pattern matching where it prints the line that matches a particular pattern. On usage you use grep followed by the options followed by the pattern and followed by the name of the file. So let's look at some of the example cases. In our first case, we'll look for a given string in a given file. So in this example, I'm using grep. I'm looking for the string that is the word this in the demo underscore file. So in the output, as you can see, it has given me two instances of the word this, and it prints the entire line that contains the pattern. I can use grep with multiple files. So for that I use a regular expression asterisk, which indicates that to find all files that begin with demo underscore. And I can use grep with case insensitive option, that is -i, to ignore the cases while finding patterns. I can use grep with many other regular expressions as shown below here. The character question mark here represents a pattern that is matched at most once. The asterisk represents the pattern or a match that is found zero or more times. The plus indicates to find a pattern one or more times, and then you can provide a range with the curly braces with the n and m integers. So as shown in this example over here, I have used grep followed by the regular expression, which is the asterisk. So here the pattern indicates that I'm looking for lines that has lines, and it ends with the word empty. So it has found a line which contains that pattern. Then I can use grep to find lines before, after, and around the match, and for that I use the grep options -a, -b, and -c. So let's look at some of the examples relating to that. So in this I have a test file which has a few sentences. So we'll use these grep options with this test file. So in the first case, I would like to display n lines after a match. So for this, I use -a option, and I'm displaying 3 lines after the match, and I'm looking for the pattern which contains the word example in the test file. So as you can see, it has found the pattern and has printed the line, and it has printed the next 2 lines after it has found the pattern. So it a -a3 indicates to find or to get lines which contain the pattern and along with 2 other lines. So in total it's 3. And then you can use grep to display n lines before a match. For that use the option -b2, and here I'm looking for the pattern single word and in the file test file. So it has found the line which contains the pattern here single word, and it has printed me the line that is example to show difference word and word. That is the line before the match. And I can use grep to find lines around the match. For that I use the option -c as shown in this example, where I'm looking for the pattern with the word example, and it has given me the line containing the pattern and also uh, 1 line before and after the match. So this is pretty useful options which you can try out. And then you can use grep to search for files recursively in a given directory. Uh, by recursively, I mean the grep will look for the pattern beginning with the files, and then it goes through all the subdirectories within a given directory. So for that, I use the option -r, and here the regular expression asterisk represents all file. And I can use grep to invert a match, that is to find all other patterns except for the pattern within the quotes, that is in this case the word hello. And I can use grep to count the number of matches, and for that I use the option -c. And also I can use grep to find how many lines that did not match the pattern. So I use the combination of the above two options, that is -v and -c. And I can use grep to display only the file names which matches a given pattern. So for that I use the option -l. So here it has displayed me all the files which contain the pattern, that is the word this. And also I can use grep to match, to get only the match string. So as in this case I'm looking only for the string that begins with the word is and ends with the word line. As you can see, it has given me only the match string and not the entire line. And I can also use grep to find the position of the match, or position of the pattern in the string. So here I have an example case where I have a file named tempfile.txt which has a series of numbers from 1 to 5 in 2 lines. So I would like to know what is the position of the integer 3 in that file. So I use the option -o and -b. So here the output indicates that the integer, the position, the first integer represents the position, and followed by the integer that we were looking for, or the pattern that we were looking for. So it has found two instances or two positions in those, in the file, that is position 2 and position 8. And then you can use a grep to show the line number while displaying the output. So for that you use the option -n. And so here I'm looking for the word go, and it has found the word go uh, in the line 5 and line 8 in the demo_txt file. So there's another, you can do multiple pattern searches using grep. So for that use the OR operator. So here the OR, in Unix the OR is represented by the vertical pipe symbol. So and so you can use the OR operator in two ways. Either you can use the expression, that is the backward slash followed by the pipe symbol, or you can use just the option -e. So let's look at this example. I have a file named employee.txt, and it contains the details of the employees, and I'll use grep to find um, the employees who fall under the technology and the sales division. So here I use the pattern tech followed by the OR operator followed by the sales. So I'm looking for two patterns, and if it finds either of the one, it prints out in the output. Or you can, instead of using the pipe symbol, I can just use the option -e, and it works the same. And as you can see, it has given me in the output all the employees which belong to the sales and the technology division. So these were some of the examples for the grep command. You can post your questions on the YouTube link, or email me at kapil@cals.arizona.edu, or you can see more examples on the wiki page. And so that was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, email me, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.